Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL Das, short and sweet in chemistry. Now I am going to explain Lewis and resonance structure with formal charge of ozone. It is part 8 and up to part 7 I have already explained different type of molecule where Lewis structure is calculated by the help of formal charge. Now when we see the molecule, that is ozone, that is oxygen 3 times O3, the formula is O3. Now what happened here? What is the electronic configuration of oxygen? 1s2, 2s2, p4, outer shell electron 6. Now by using this outer shell electron, how we'll proceed? You see here. Steps for Lewis structure: calculation of formal charge, and here we can observe what is formal charge. I will explain later. First we will see what things we will collect for the Lewis structures. What are the steps we will follow? Once the first step is here, first total valency electron to be calculated. Total valency electron means the outer shell electron. For oxygen it is 6 electron. And second point, least electronegative atom. That means you will see, suppose there are two different atom elements, then you will see which is the least electronegative. The least electronegative atom always you will put at the center. Suppose sulfur dioxide, sulfur you will put at the center. Suppose nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen you will put at the center because the oxygen is more electronegative than sulfur and also than nitrogen. Now we will see how the bonds are possible, how the bond is formed. When a covalent bond is forming, pairing of electrons takes place between two atoms. So we will put two electrons between atoms to form the bonds. So next point you see, complete the octet on all the atoms. Now here ozone means 3 oxygen atoms. You will see 3 oxygen atoms are satisfying the octet rule. Are the octet and all bonds are satisfied? If the central atom has no octet, generally it has a chance the central atom has no octet. It will not follow octet rule. Then what you will do? The outer shell electrons from the neighbor outer atom to form double or triple bond. That means you will take that electrons from the outer atom to the center atom. Then what will form? Double or triple bond may be formed. Surely double or triple bond form. Then form here, if you follow this one, it will form several Lewis dot structure. If several Lewis structure form, then here to find the favorable and best structure, and what is required? Formal charge to be calculated. Formal charge to be calculated. That what is the formal charge? First you see, if the least formal charge means suppose 1 is 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3. Then here what is the least formal charge? 1. That is the best Lewis dot structure. If 1 is 0 and 1, then what is if 0, that is the best Lewis dot structure in compared to 1. That means you will always see what is the least formal charge of that molecule of the each atom, then that is the best Lewis dot structure. Calculation, how to calculate the formal charge. Here valency electron minus non-bonding electron minus bonding electron by 2. What is mean by valency electron? In oxygen, 1s2, 2s2, p4, that is 6 is the valence electron. Non-bonding electron where the dot are put, that means they are not involved in bonding, that is called non-bonding electron. Later I will explain by showing the diagram. And bonding electron means where the bond is shown. Bond is shown, one bond means one pair electron, that means 2 electrons. If 2 bond, 4 electrons. 3 bonds, 6 electrons. If you will observe in oxygen of molecule ozone. If negative charge, if you compare nitrogen and oxygen, and you know negative is less electron negative than oxygen. So, if negative charge on nitrogen, when you compare nitro and oxygen, what happens? Nitrogen is less electronegative. Then it is not the best structure. That means negative charge on less electronegative atom is giving the Lewis structure, that is not the best one. But if the negative charge on more electronegative atom, example oxygen, then what happen? Then Lewis structure is the best one. That means if you compare oxygen, if negative charge on the oxygen, that is the best structure. If negative charge on the nitrogen, that is not the best structure. Lewis the structure of ozone, and by which you can see resonance structure and also formal charge. Atomic structure of oxygen, that is 1s2, 2s2, p4. Outer cell contains here how many electrons? 6 electrons, called valency electrons. Total valence electron is 6 into 3, that is 18. And here oxygen is an electronegative element. What is oxygen? Oxygen is an electronegative element, because ozone is consist of 3 oxygen, and oxygen is more good electronegative element. And next I told pairing of electrons should be takes place between 2 atoms. 2 atoms here, what is the 2 atoms? That is oxygen atoms. Now see the diagram here, and here one oxygen, first, second one and third one. Here it is 1 and it is 2 and it is 3. This is the skeletal structure, because I want to show how many electrons on this oxygen? 6. And how many here? 6. And here also 6. But how can I satisfy with the octet rule? How can I satisfy this structure with the octet rule? That means here I want to take 2 electrons to the middle, that is central oxygen atom, which is at the center. That see here 2 electrons that is taking from here, flowing from here to this one. Or you can do like this. These 2 oxygen can flow to the center, that is oxygen atom. Now what happened? When it is the electron flows from here to here, then what happened? Now below structure follows, here see it follows octet rule. But before that structure it not follows any rule, octet rule. It is only one skeleton structure. And here when it flows to here, you can see this is also satisfied. This is oxygen 1, this 2, 3. All 3 oxygens are satisfied. All 3 oxygens are satisfied with octet rule. That means outermost cell contain 8 electrons. Now you can observe, if this side it flows, the pair of electrons flows from this oxygen number 1 to 2, then here one type of structure form where 2 pair of electron present. If instead of this one, instead of this, if you say the electrons flows from here, if the electrons flow from here instead of here, then what happened? This side become double bond, or you can say two pair electron having 2 bonds. Now you can observe in the below following structure. See, when the electrons flows from here to here, now 6 electrons are there. So here to here, then happen double bond present. and this side single bond. This is called the electron here, that is called bonding electron, and this electron dot electron, that is called non-bonding electron. That you can observe this side as double bond. Otherwise, you can observe if the bond, the electron will flow from this side, if the electron flow from this side, or then what happen? Here becomes double bond and become single bond. And now both having same meaning but contributing the electron towards center atom is behaving or flowing is totally different. That is why structure 1, structure 2, both structures are possible, and that is why it is called resonance structure also. Then here formal charge is what is here? Valence electron minus non-bonding valence electron, and next is bonding electron. Non-bonding, those electrons are not involved in bonding, having put as a dot form on the atom, that is called non-bonding electron. What is that? See here, these are called non-bonding electron. This one and this one also. Now next you see Fc means formal charge is assigned to an atom in a molecule. What is that? Assigned in an atom. That means molecule consists of 4 atoms. That means formal charge is put on each atom. That is 4 atoms in a molecule. Now here 3 oxygen atoms are equivalent because here valence electron same. So we also know least formal charge is the best Lewis structure. Suppose in a molecule 4 Lewis dot structure form and one is having least formal charge, then it is the best Lewis structure. Then structure 1 you can find 0. This is 0 charge, this is plus 1 and minus 1, and this is oxygen 1, oxygen 2, oxygen 3. Now I can show you how it will, because here valence electron 6, non-bonding electron 4 and bonding electron 2 plus 2, 4. Like this you will calculate each one and see first. Fc charge of oxygen 1, 6, valence electron 4, non-bonding electron 4 by 2, 4 is the bonding electron by 2. Similarly, oxygen 2 also having 6 valence electron, 2 non-bonding electron, 6 bonding electron. So similarly, oxygen 3 also 6 minus 6 minus 2 by 2. So results are minus 1. So results are what? 0 plus 1 minus 1. And structure 2 also just opposite reverse. So the result is minus 1 plus 1 and 0. I also told 0 here oxygen 1, oxygen 2, oxygen 3. Oxygen 1 valence electron 6 and these 6 are non-bonding electron and 1 bond mean 2 electron. 2 is the bonding electron. After calculation you will get minus 1. Similarly you will get plus 1 and 0. So here you can see these 6 are that is non-bonding electron, 2 bonds, that is 4 bonding electron. Like this you will calculate formal charge for each atom. For structure 2 I told how to calculate 6 minus 2 by 2. 6 is the valence electron, 6 is the non-bonding electron, 2 is the bonding electron. So it is minus 1 and it is 2, that is plus 1, and this is 0. And so what happened if we add the formal charges for each individual atoms? We have 0. What are the value? If you add the formal charge for each atom in the individual atom, then what value you are getting? That is 0, plus 1, minus 1. In every case, for two structures, you can find one oxygen is minus 1, second oxygen plus 1, third oxygen 0. Like this you will get the structures. This is your having resonance structures. Total charge you will see the total charge for the molecule is going to be 0. If you are seeing -1 plus 1 -1 plus 1, then automatically you can say total charge for the molecule is going to be 0. From the above, what are the conclusion you are getting? You are getting, first you will see how to write, what are the steps for the Lewis dot structures to write, and formal charge how to calculate, and least formal charge or 0 form if the formal charge gives the best structure. If there are two formal charge, you will find which is the least formal charge, that is the best one. If you see one formal charge, other one is 0, then what is the best one? 0 formal charge structure, that is the best structure. So I hope you clear about that. You have cleared about the resonance structure, Lewis dot structure, formal charge regarding our ozone structure, where the structure of ozone is O3, 3 oxygen. I hope it is clear to you. Thanks to all for watching my video. Thanks again.